To solve the rational inequality 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0, we first gonna look for the critical points. First, we're going to look for the undefined value. Set the denominator equal to 0, x minus 7 equal to 0, and x equal to 7 is the undefined value. The value that makes the fraction undefined. You cannot divide by 0. Second, we're going to look for the 0. We set the numerator equal to 0. 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to negative 4. And when I divide by 2, x is equal to negative 2. Now, and negative 2 is a 0. Now we're going to look for the test interval. And our test interval will be negative infinity, negative 2, negative 2, positive 7, and positive 7 to positive infinity. Negative 2 is a 0, and 7 is undefined. We're going to test for negative 3 between negative infinity and negative 2. Test for 0 between negative 2 and 7. And we're going to test for 8 between 7 and positive infinity. For x equal to negative 3, 2 times negative 3 plus 4 divided by negative 3 minus 7. Remember, we're only looking for the sign. 2 times negative 3 plus 4, negative 6 plus 4, negative 2, which is negative. Negative 3, negative 7, negative 10, which is negative. And a negative over a negative is positive. For x equal to 0, 2 times 0 plus 4 over 0 minus 7, a positive over a negative is negative. For x equal to 8, 2 times 8 plus 4 over 8 minus 7. 2 times 8 plus 4 will be positive, and 8 minus 7 will also be positive. So the interval 7 positive infinity is positive. Now we just have to solve it. It goes from negative infinity to negative 2, and negative 2 is included, close bracket, because it's positive in that interval. And then from 7 is not included, to positive infinity.